We're going to see an example. First of all, we would look at example. So here is the example, which is industrial example first. A fan is to be started and stopped from any one of the three locations. Each location has a start and stop button. Note that normally closed stops should be in series and normally open should be in parallel. Now we will head over to the openplc editor and construct a ladder diagram for the given example. So we are here at the openplc editor. Now first of all, I need to create a new project. For that, I will press Ctrl N. Then onto create a new folder. And thereafter, I will name the folder as industrial example first. Then after, I will select the folder, change the language to the ladder diagram and press OK. Then after, I will create power rails, one on the left side, then again add a power rail on the right side. After this, I'm going to add the variables here. My first variable will be start and the type Boolean. As we have three places with three switches, then I'm going to write start 3, start 1 up to start 3, and then stop 1 up to stop 3, and the last one will be fan. So now I'm going to add the contacts here, which will be start first, then I'm going to join these pins here. Again, I need to add my second contact, which will be start second. And for my another contact, which will be start 3, I'll press OK. I will adjust the block size. Then I will join these pins. After, I'm going to need the stop first. This will be my normally closed contact. then stop second, and stop 3, which is also going to be a normally closed contact. Then I will join these pins. So now I have connected the pins and kept them in parallel, and the normally contact kept them in parallel, and the normally closed kept them in series. Now I'm going to add a coil here, which is our fan. After, I need to add the memory bit 0, which is going to be a contact here. And then latch the fan onto here, make it a push button. Then for my last coil, I'm going to add the memory bit 0. So I will adjust the block size and then join the pins with 3 start switches here. So joining the pins, I will start the simulation. The simulation is complete. I will click on the classes and drag this up. Now let me show you when I force through to the first switch at any one of the places, the fan will go on, and at any one of the places when I force through to the stop button, the fan will go false. Again, at any one of the places when I press the start button, the fan will go on, and when I press off at any one of the places, the fan will go off. And for the last time, when I force through at the third place, the fan will go on, and when I press the stop button at the second place, the fan will go off. I'll stop the simulation here. With this, our video ends here. Thank you for watching.